Hey everyone, welcome back. And today, these are up. I have no idea what's going to be in these. Just picked them up off eBay, bought 2 of them, and then they were the only 2 available, so who knows. They think the listing said that it's cards from 1970 to 2000. So hopefully I know some of the pit players in it. I mean, obviously I know like some of the big names, but if I miss anyone out or I pass a card that's, you know, worth something, let me know down in the comments and shout at me that I missed it. Because I tried to do as much research as I can, but there's just no idea what's in here, so I guess let's just get into it and see what's in here. I don't think they're sealed packs, they're just made up bags. Let's have a look. We've got 3 bags. Henry Owens on the front, first Bowman Chrome card, and John Hardy on the front of that one. And then there's also a separate bag. Ken Caminti. I've honestly never heard of him. No offense to Ken, but like I said, I'm probably not going to know many people in here if these are from the 70s. Oh, they're sellotaped together. That's weird. How annoying. I guess at least they're in penny sleeve actually. So I wonder if this little mini bag, I wonder if this little mini bag is like the hits, would you say? Ken Caminti, Dan Ford from the Twins. I'm gonna struggle with the years these are from as well, so I mean it might, don't think it's, sometimes it says on the back, 1978. Fred Norman, John Wathan, Mike Flanagan, Dave Giraldo, no, Everlo, sorry, Elias Sosa, Ken Brett, Rob Andrews, Jerry Grote. Let me know if anything good is in there, or if there's any, I mean I know some Hall of Famers, but if any of these are, please let me know. I'd love to have your help on some of them. And then we got these, oh they're just all taped together, okay. You know what, let's find the scissors. Find the end of that, so let's just make sure I don't cut any of the cards. Oh, good Lord. Oh, there's more going the other way, but it's going on. Okay, there we go. I might do that. Try and cut the tape off them completely the first time around. So John Hardy, first Bowman Chrome. What year is that from? 2006. Otto Velez, Sparky Lyle, Gary Templeton, Charlie Huff, Darryl Porter, Roy White, Tony Perez, Larian LeGros, Art Howe. I know Art Howe. Are these all from, I take it these are all from the same, these are all from 78, I take it. Jim Dwyer, Randy Lurch, Jill Flores, Sal Bando, Jamie Easterly. Helps if I keep the cards in the camera as well. Danny Walton, Steve Swisher, definitely heard of that name before, and Hector Cruz. Also, if I'm butchering the names of these people, please tell me below as well. And I wonder if I can find the end. Oh, I can, I don't need the scissors on this one. Now what? An annoying way to pack cards. Just tape them up. Oh, I hate this. Like bending the card completely. Oh, come on. How annoying. There we go. Nope. No, there we go. Bend the back one completely out of shape. Okay. So it's Henry Owens on the front. I wonder if I can just rip. There we go. Made a right old meal of that. Fantastic. Okay, Henry Owens, first Bowman Chrome card. Sorry, Henry, I don't know you. 2006, though. Bob Watson, with some tape on. That's one I completely bent out of shape, but he looks alright. Okay, so Bob Watson. Steve Dillard, Bobby Cox, Vern Rapp, Henry Cruz, Braves team card, Dave Johnson, Jim Fregosi, John Verhoeven, Rick Langford, Mike Lum, Tom Pasiurek, Bill Pecobra, Eric Rasmussen, Orioles team card, yeah, Frank Tanana, Sixto Lezcano, Vic Davalio, and Dave Skaggs. I'm not gonna lie, I literally don't know any. I knew a couple. There's like Art Howe. Is there Art Howe somewhere in here? Steve Swisher, I've heard of him as well. Like I said, let me know. Yeah, there is Art Howe. I take it that's the Art Howe in the Moneyball film from the Athletics. If it's not, tell me down below. There is another pack somewhere. Let's get into the second one. I wonder if these will all be from 78 Topps as well. It looks that way. Yes. Tug Hewlett. I know that name. First Bowman Chrome card. Hey, Wade Boggs. He's a Hall of Famer. Well, I'm not going to pronounce that name because I'm going to completely butcher it, so sorry about that. Oh, these are taped together. Okay, I'm just going to cut the tape off. Let's see if I can find the end actually on this one because it's going one way. Any vintage collectors, cover your eyes now in case I cut through the card. It would be my luck as well. Okay. Why would you do this way? Right, they're all cut. I'll just get the last one done now, and then I haven't got to waste time doing it. When we actually get to opening them. I'm going through them at least. Okay, there we go. Right then, finally. Put them down. Let's go through the first mini bag first. Larry Parrish, Mike Willis, Willie Horton, Kiko Garcia, Steve Yeager, Omar Moreno, Randy Lurch again, Eric Rasmussen again, and Enrique Romo, Bill Bonham. Eric Rasmussen, you think I've heard of? Wade Boggs, obviously heard of him. That's a really cool card. Bowman Chrome. What year is that from? Might be completely blind. 98, I think. Yeah, 1998. Cool. Wade Boggs one, that's a good one. Tim Hosley. Hector Cruz again. Joe Altobelli. Jim Kern. Steve Swisher again. Craig Nettles, definitely heard of him. Dave Goltz. Frank White. Larry Christensen, Dan Dryson, Rick Burleson, Charlie Moore, Sparky Lyle, John Matlack, Rick Waits, Don Money, what a great name, Chuck Scrivener, and Henry Cruz again, and Rick Langford again. And let's get into the last pile. Tug Hewlett, definitely heard of him. 2006 Bowman, yep. Put you at the back with Wade Boggs. I think they're the best cards out of it. Again, let me know down below if there's any better ones in here. That is a fantastic look. Look at that hair. Warren Brewstar, Steve Busby, John Stearns, Jim Todd, Mark Little, Barry Bonnell, Pete Vukovich, Gene Tennis, Juan Benitez, Terry Whitfield, Dave Frisblian, Friseben, completely butchered that, sorry Dave. Hey, Joe Tor, definitely know who he is. Von Joshua, Ed Halaki, Cecil Cooper, Pete Lecoq, Bob Stanley, and Herman Franks at the end. So yeah, interesting packs. Not many players I've heard of. Wade Boggs, obviously, Tug Hewlett, heard of Joe Tor. But yeah, pretty cool. Can't complain for how much I paid for them. It definitely wasn't a lot, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, let me know, like I said, down below, if there's any cards in here, any good ones, any hits, I suppose. It wasn't really, I don't really know what the rookie cards look like from 78. So send me all the info down below if you can in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with some more baseball videos in the following week. Thanks very much, guys. See you in the next one. Cheers.